It all started with an infinitesimal particle of pollen that entered the upturned nose of a peasant woman and made her sneeze. Her sneeze swept through the fields, forced ships to change course, and destabilized the flight of nearby birds. The wind shook the flowers and emptied them of pollen. The pollen tickled noses and emptied lungs of air. The air shook. Everything. And in the face of such a natural disaster, it became a perpetual sneeze that seemed never to stop. The unbreakable leaders shouted that they had to resist, but the wind didn't stop.
Or ceased.
But the wind didn't stop.
Resist.
But the wind changed everything, and society had to adapt, and they resisted for years, decades, centuries. And the wind blew stronger and stronger, so much that it displaced love, time, and finally, even the wind itself. And when it disappeared, when stability returned, for a moment, we believed we had freed ourselves from it, but the wind of disaster could return. At any moment.